Hello everyone, and welcome to our quick guide on how to change a car tire. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, knowing how to change a tire is an essential skill. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can get back on the road safely and confidently. Let's get started. First things first, gather your tools. You'll need a spare tire, a jack, a lug wrench, and a wheel chock to ensure your safety. Make sure you have them all before starting. Step 1. Secure the car. Locate a solid, flat surface to park on, engage the parking brake, and place a wheel chock behind one of the tires. Next, position the jack under the car frame, close to the flat tire, and start lifting. Step 2. Loosen the lug nuts. With the car slightly lifted, grab the lug wrench and turn each lug nut counterclockwise. Loosen them but do not remove them just yet. Step 3. Remove the flat tire. Once the lug nuts are loosened, continue lifting the car with the jack until the flat tire is off the ground. Unscrew the lug nuts completely and carefully remove the tire. Now, it's time to install the spare tire. Step 4. Install the spare tire. Line up the holes on the spare tire with the wheel studs, then push it gently onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. Step 5. Lower the car. Use the jack to carefully lower the car back down to the ground. Once it's down, use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts in a diagonal pattern until they're secure. Step 6. Finishing touches. Remove the wheel chock and stow away the flat tire, jack, and tools. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your car tire. Remember, changing a tire is a skill every driver should have. It's always a good idea to practice this procedure in a safe environment before you find yourself in an emergency situation. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.